prep your face for a full face of long-lasting makeup, a clean canvas is always better to start with, so use a gentle cleanser or a face wash to start with. I use the Laneige cleanser. Once your face is all clean, apply a toner for your face. I have been using the Plum toner for a while now. The next I do is to seal my face with a moisturizer. In this case, I generally use a sunscreen to be honest because it also protects me from the heat. And here I have been using the Biotique one. While you're doing all these steps, always do it like you're massaging your face because that gives your skin a good boost. These steps really hydrate your face for you to apply makeup, and lastly, do not forget to apply a primer because that gives you a smooth canvas for a long-lasting makeup. And now you can carry on with your makeup as usual.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.